All right, the Mercedes Sprinter van has a known issue with the power steering clamps. The lower clamp, which you can see that's where it's located, it's already slipped back a little bit. It's an insufficient clamp to hold the hose in place, so you want to replace it or supplement it. Basically, I go at it from the bottom and take a pair of pliers, slide the factory clamp back, and like I said, my hose had already moved back about 3/16. Once you get the clamp back, you're going to get I think they call it a fuel injector hose clamp. Open it up so you can spring it over. Get it over the rubber hose ahead of the factory clamp, and then you're just going to tighten that down. Just ensure you get the hose all the way up to that where it's got the rib there, and just tighten the crap out of it. Once you're done with that, I move the factory hose clamp right behind the new clamp, and you're good to go. It's only the lower hose, that's the high pressure side of the power steering system. So easy fix. Thanks for watching.